guys, today I'm here to blow your mind with another simple and delicious meatball sauce that you can use to eat your spaghetti. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's go. So for this recipe you need a lot of fresh tomatoes. Just put your tomatoes on fire and boil it like 5 minutes, then grab your blender and put it inside and blend it till it's smooth. Take your meat and season it with your seasoning, any seasoning of your choice. Then start rolling it into small ball according to your mouth. So this is how I roll it. This one is my mouth size. So I roll everything together. So at this point you need egg white. So this is how I do it. I'll just remove the small plate. I just open it small. Then I'll remove the white from the yolk, just like this. I don't know how you remove your white from your yolk, but this is how I do. This way it's very easy for me. So just mix the yolk, the white egg with the meatball very well. Just like this, and grab your saucepan and put it on fire. Add just more oil, just like this. Then I'm spreading it inside the pan. Then start frying your meatball. My meatball want to fall down. I say no way. Let me use my hand, it's better for me. So fry your meatball so it's brown. So this is the ingredient I'll be using: half onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and then hot pepper, that's avaro pepper. I'll remove the seed from inside. So I'm starting doing my sauce. Add small oil, then start frying your onion, garlic, and then the avaro pepper. So fry it like 1 minute till the aroma is coming out, just like this. Then take your blended tomato sauce, then add it to it. Mix it with the onion till everything is has combined very well. The only seasoning we need here is salt. So add salt and taste it if it's good. Voila, it's very good. So now my meatball too is ready. Just transfer your meatball inside the sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video. It really made world to me. So now at this point my sauce is ready. Do you see how simple and easy it is? If you come back from work, you are tired, you want to eat spaghetti, this is the right sauce for you. Now start cooking your spaghetti. Any spaghetti, 7 minutes, the spaghetti is ready. What recipe can be simple than this one? I just want my spaghetti is ready. I'm taking it to enjoy with my sauce. Guy, can you see it? It's ready. Full time. It's time to chop. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, support your girl by subscribing and liking the video. Bye.